So video lights are getting smaller and smaller and more portable, but is that a good thing? Today we're going to be reviewing the Sirui C150X light portable video light. And there's a ton of power packed into this small light with a few drawbacks, but we'll get into that later in the video. So in the box, you get the H99 Pro, which is their 4,350 milliamp hour battery bank that serves to be the handle for the light and to power the C150X. And since this is the light version, it did not come with the wall power adapter, but you also have that option as well. You also get a mount adapter, a D-tap to AC power adapter, and a USB-C cable, along with the C150X light itself and this reflector. They also sent over their QR40 mini foldable softbox to go with the C150X. So we're going to be talking about that as well in this video. So on the light itself, you have two knobs to control the light, a DC power port, a USB-C power port, and a power button, along with the mount for the included reflector and the softbox. And there's also a Bowens mount adapter, so you can use this mount with traditional Bowens mount softboxes, which I highly recommend you purchase if you are going to get this light. So the C150X has a max light power of 150 watts, and when powering by the H99 handle, you can run it full blast for around 45 minutes. But with the power adapter, you can obviously run it as long as you want because it's plugged into the wall. It is a bicolor light, so it can range from 6500 Kelvin all the way down to 2800 Kelvin, and it also has 12 lighting effects from fire, broken bulb, lightning, fireworks, and more. So currently I'm running the Godox SL60 watt as my main video light with a smaller softbox, since it's super compact and it's easy to store away whenever I need to get it out of the way and then use it for YouTube shots like this. Now ideally you'd want to run a larger softbox in this situation because the larger the softbox, the softer the light and more natural it will look. But I find the smaller softbox for me works great for this situation since I don't really want to take up too much space with a larger softbox. So here's some examples of this A-roll shot with the C150X as the main key light with the QR40 as the softbox. Now here's what the shot looks like with the Godox SL60 watt. As you can see, they pretty much look identical. A light is going to be a light at the end of the day. So this thing does its job, and with the smaller softbox, I don't think it's too harsh of a light. But like I said, if you want to get bigger and larger softboxes, I definitely recommend getting the Bowens mount adapter for this light. So for the QR40 and the C150X, it's a super compact lighting kit, and it's easy to take with you wherever you might need a powerful lighting setup. So if you're a run and gun filmmaker, this would be perfect for you because it's super compact. Or if you're a creator and you have a smaller studio and you don't want to take up too much space with your lighting, this would be a great option. And being at 150 watts, I think is the sweet spot for power draw and power performance, especially if you have it plugged into the wall. For most situations, 150 watts is probably all you're going to need. Now, the biggest drawback in my opinion, at least for the light version, is that you're limited to battery power. So personally, if I was going to purchase this, I would just get the regular version with the power adapter, and if I wanted to take it on the go, I would then just use a V-mount battery with the D-tap to AC power adapter, so that if you're in studio or you have somewhere that has power, you can run it at full blast without having to worry about running out of battery. And if you do want to purchase the battery grip separately, you can do that as well. And even better, the C150X with the wall power adapter is only $180 US, but for this bundle with the battery bank, it's $274 US. Now they also have the C150X combo, which comes with the Bowens mount adapter and a few other accessories along with the wall power adapter, which probably is the best buy out of all of them. So would I recommend this, and is it worth the money? It kind of depends on the person and depends on the situation. I think for the price of just the light itself, it's definitely a good buy, especially with the power adapter and the option to do external power like V-mount or even this power adapter right here. And if you get the one with the Bowens mount adapter, you can use larger softboxes. So for the QR40, since it is a smaller softbox, it's not going to be as soft as a larger softbox. So that Bowens mount adapter is going to open the door for you for other lighting and softbox options out there. And I think that's probably the best investment if you are looking to get this light. If you're a run and gun filmmaker, this is super compact, easy to carry with you. You can have the option of wall power and battery power, and I think it's worth it for that price, especially being at 150 watts and due to it being so small. Now, same thing for a creator with a smaller studio, it's a perfect light. I mean, it would take up literally no space. And if you throw it on a light stand with a softbox attached to it, the largest part of that whole lighting setup is gonna be your softbox. So definitely helps you save a little bit of space, and that wall power adapter is definitely essential if you're going to be purchasing this light. So as far as the quality of the light, it does what it's advertised to do. It's a super powerful 150 watt light in a small form factor. And if you fit that niche for a creator or a filmmaker that needs a light like this, I definitely think it's a great buy. So if you're interested in picking one of these up for yourself, I'll make sure to link it in the description so you can go check it out. All right, that'll do it for this one. I'll see you guys on the next one.